What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our mini cooking show. And yeah.
What's next, Harry? Are we going to
So-
put the chips now?
Yes, sir. So the next thing you got to do, right? You got to put the chips in it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Chips coming right up. Don't you like to put it by yourself?
No.
Scared. All right.
Hey, shut up, man. Do your job.
Okay.
Do your job, or you're fired.
Fine.
Get that?
Ready. 3.
Yeah. Go, Ben. 2.
Oh! It's on fire.
Jeez. Oh,
Nice.
you motherfucker. Oh my God.
So what can you say about this, Harry?
Well, you almost caused a pan fire, but that's alright. At least you didn't fucking set fire to the whole bloody thing.
Yeah.
But that's alright then.
Hey,
yeah.
are you not going to invite them to some of your channels? I mean, some of your videos that you uploaded?
Oh yeah, and in case you guys haven't, in case I haven't told you guys, I've got some brand new videos up on the channel at the moment if you want to check those out. Yeah. As soon as I put this video up, I'll leave a couple of links in the description for my other videos as well, in case you want to check those out.
Yeah, okay. You can ask them, like, if they have any suggestions.
But if you guys have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to respond to all of them.
Are we going to finish the whole chips? Are you not going to invite them for the chips?
And if you guys want to come and have chips with us, come on down.
Where's this?
We're
What
at
is this?
Archibald Park in Kelston, a kilometre away from our house. So yeah, if you want to come down and chill out,
Yes. So
get on with it and keep
Yes, sir.
going. Don't
So-
let that burn, all right?
just tell me when it's about to when we're about to take this out.
How the bloody heck am I supposed to know?
Am I going to and then get another video? No, we just continue this.
Yeah, we just continue it.
Continue videoing. All right, the first batch of French fries or chips is about to get cooked. Smells really nice.
Yeah. So obviously we've got a good view out there, but you obviously can't see it because the camera's facing
I can do that for you, Harry.
this way.
Yeah. What is this, Harry? What do you see in this side? We have what?
But check this thing out. You've got like
A lake.
a river.
Yes, a river. Yeah.
You've got like houses down there.
They call this a Fanau River, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice place, eh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. And then there's another thing too. Kiki, oi, oi, oi.
Kiki, oi, oi, oi.
Kiki, oi, oi, oi.
And the good thing about this place is just us, Harry. I don't know where the people are.
Well, there are a couple of people here, but it's not too good.
Some of them are being eaten by zombies.
Don't be bloody ridiculous. Now get on with it.
Yes, sir, Gordon. Gordon, Harry.
Move. Or otherwise we'll make it raw.
Smells good. So the first couple of batch of this, you will be having it. Smells really nice. We call this chips in the park. Ooh. So there are a couple of people around.
Mm.
They're having an exercise and we're having a chips. Hey Harry, you're still in the video. Don't forget, don't leave them alone.
Yeah, so we're still cooking the chips at the moment.
It's almost golden brown. Probably a minute or two. This will be good.
Yeah, we'll just leave them for a minute or two.
Ooh.